Hello fellow traders, Marv Eisen here from Timeless Dollar Trading Academy. Today is Monday, December 15th, and the ES futures contracts roll over from the December, the Z contract, to the H, the March contract. So we're rolling over from ESZ 2025 to ESH 2026. And if you don't know about contract rollovers, what I suggest you do is track the ES1 continuous contract. The ES1 continuous contract, you don't have to change your chart, you don't have to change your numbers. The ES1 contract trades with the prices corresponding to the current contract being traded at that time of year. And so here, you're looking at my chart, the way I set it up on Friday. And on Friday, prices were trading, this is just before the rollover date, prices were trading the ESZ. And I'm tracking the ESZ numbers on my Taylor trading zone and the open, high, low, and close prices. And my ESZ numbers for Monday, December 15th, were 68.95 resistance and 68.05 support. So I entered those numbers on my chart, 68.95 resistance, 68.05 support, and the previous close was at 68.32. And so this is how I set my chart up prior to the day even beginning. Now, prices for the past, I think 9 of the last 10 days, prices closed the gap. Now the gap trade, of course, I'll repeat myself. For those of you who've seen my previous hundreds of videos, you know that the gap trade is the bread and butter trade for virtually every trader because the gap closes 75% of the time. I mean, don't take it for granted. Nothing in trading can be taken for granted or is assured. But the gap trade, it's been pretty reliable, certainly for the last several weeks. And so prices were coming in, and here's how I set up my chart again. 68.95 resistance, 68.05 support, with the gap at 68.20, 68.30. And so I have my chart set up with prices about a half an hour prior to the market actually opening. And I'm going to take you through the day. And again, I trade I put the Taylor trading zone rather on my chart religiously. And here we go within the first half hour of the day. And here we are just about a little after 10 o'clock. Prices moved down from where they opened at 68, just about 68.70 to 68.30. So a 40-point trade, which we can confirm with the gap trade. Beautiful gap trade today, Monday. On Monday, December 15th. I want to say something more about the ESZ contract. We're rolling over to the ESH 2026 contract. And the ES1 is the continuous contract where if you don't want to switch your chart around, just track ES1 continuously and it corresponds to the contract being traded at that time of year. And as you can see right now on Monday, December 15th, it's 68.83, which corresponds to the ESH 68.83. On Friday, December 12th, it was the same price as the ESZ contract. And so the ES1 contract switched over automatically to ESH. And so for those of you who are purists, track the ESH because the rollover date was Monday, today, December 15th. Now, just to give you an idea, will the trading zone work on the March contract? Yes, it will. I'm going to show you, I'm going to bring my chart to correspond to a 15-minute chart. All right, I want you to eyeball this. And this is the ESZ 2025. And I'm going to switch to the ESH 2026. And just look at the prices. I'm going to switch right now. Virtually the same, right? Virtually the same price action. You wouldn't know looking at the prices at the chart, ESH versus ESC. But note, the ESH currently is 68.83, the ESZ 68.25. So there's about a 60-point difference, although the prices correspond the same price action on each. But nevertheless, we're going to switch over to the ESH 2026. So that's my video for today. I did set up my chart for Tuesday, December 16th, and here is where prices are likely to trade December 16th. For those of you who have the Taylor trading zone, you can correlate to what your charts are set up toward. Mine is 68.86 resistance and 67.95 support. Previous close, Monday's close at 68.21. And this is how prices should trade within this range on Tuesday, December 16th. So that's my video for today. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely. Beautiful 40-point gap trade today. If you know how to trade, you've got to take intelligent risks, but those risks have very substantial rewards, particularly if you're trading the Taylor calculator and putting the trading zone on your chart. And so if you're interested in the Taylor calculator, you want to find out more about it, you can go to my site at timelessdollar.com. And here's my site, timelessdollar.com. Go over here, Taylor Trading Calculator, and over here, right next to it on the navigation bar, you'll see the courses. My Trading Mastery for Financial Freedom is a completely free course. It tells you how to avoid the trips and traps that the market sets for unwary traders, and that's absolutely free. And my flagship course, Avoid Costly Trading Mistakes, works in every market. There are only 6 trade setups: gap, support and resistance, trend, time and price, momentum, and candlestick. You should know about stochastics. Taylor Trading Zone is a big picture trading range type theory, and so layer that on to the 6 trade setups that I'll teach you in my course, and you'll be as good a trader as you can be. Thanks so much for watching. Trade safely, use lots of patience, and I'll see you in my next video.